Jackson.
Hey, Mr. Horsey! Daddy did not touch Mr. Fence. Guys, I have no food, just mittens.
That one black horse has been pretty friendly too this time. Maybe it always is, I don't know.
No, don't use my hand.
Sandy's gotten big. Huge. Even since last time we were here.
Yes, let's see.
Yeah, I thought so too.
Plus they're nice and...
Moving on. Moving on.
Yeah.
That's a commercial.
And it looks like they've had a lot to eat, which is good too.
Moving on, that's
for the
a
winter.
commercial.
Okay, get up
Moving
there.
on, commercial. Yeah.
Here Jackson is climbing up on the roof.
Daddy. Whoa. Whoa. I don't sound like a girl. Whoa. Yeah. Okay, Chloe, you need to zoom in.
Okay.
Whoa. Okay, this is the right game to start here. Oh,
Oh, good save.
yeah. Oh, this is the hardest part. Yeah. Jackson. What? Yeah. No. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I think I made this. Dang it. That has happened before, right?
That's where you got stuck, right? And I had to pull you out with the rope.
Yep. Yeah. Oh, sorry. There's an air. Whatever those things are called. Yeah.
False.
Yeah. 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 Wait. Yeah. Yeah. Wait. Okay.
I think you're stuck.
Okay.
Okay, well just jump out.
I can't. No. No. Wait. I think I can pull myself out. Yeah. Okay, Uncle. Need some help. Yeah. Yeah. No. Oh. Thank you, Mr. Uncle. Sorry, people. This course is a little too dangerous. We'll be moving on to the four-wheeler in 7 minutes.
Okay.
Thank you. Poosh.